Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to organize a small prize giving ceremony on behalf of our family in honor of Kashfi Alam class 6 and Kashfi Alam class 4, as both of them has been selected as captain in their respective classes. This program has been arranged to recognize and encourage their achievement. Both of they are studying in KFT Collegiate School, and this is their first achievement. So that's why I'm calling to Kashfi Alam his to take her prize, and also I'm calling Kashfi Alam to get her prize. So how are you feeling today?
I am feeling good. Thank you so much.
So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling also good. Thank you so much.
So we are also uh, saying thanks to you all, and thank you uh, teachers of KFT College School. Assalamu alaikum.